So here I have a burn stain and I'm trying to get it off with calcium limescale and rust off the bathroom recess. I've already applied it onto here. Here we go. Now you have to really scrub hard. Okay, so that doesn't look like it's doing. Oh yeah, it is moving a little bit. I can see. Yeah. Okay, got a bit to go. So I am really giving this, you've got to give it a really good scrub. And it is moving. But it's got to be with, really get in there. And scrub. Nearly gone. Oh, we'll wipe it a bit more. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. It's nearly gone. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, it's the tiniest little dot now. Wow. This stuff works. Very poisonous. Very, very poisonous. But it is. I'm so close. It's like the tiniest little dot. Now, scrub some more. Here we go. OMG. It's the tiniest little dot ever. How cool is that? Oh, thank goodness. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. I want it to go. No. It's working. Look at that. The tiniest little dot. You can hardly see it. Oh my gosh. Very caustic. Use it, scrub it, because we want to get rid of it. Oh, it's the tiniest dot now. That's what I said before, but now it's even tinier than the tiniest dot. You could almost, you can still see it. Just a little scrubbing. Woohoo! And look at that. I can still see it, but to what it was, to thinking of ruining the whole vanity, it's now gone. Yay! I'm so grateful. So, so grateful. There we go. You can see it. Can anyone see it? It is now gone. Thank you. CLR rust, extremely poisonous. Gloves, been wearing them. And you've got to use some bit of elbow grease, some steel wool. And ta-da, it's gone. Thank you.